By the time we arrived, the show blank already started.
English Grammar Quiz Challenge. Can you score 30-30? Comment your score. Double tap the screen if you found the correct answer.
Answer A. Had. She blanked to the party if she finishes her work.
Please one like.
Answer B. Will come. Neither the teacher nor the students blank aware of the change. Answer B. Were. I wish I blank how to swim. Answer B. Knew. He is responsible blank managing the team. Answer C. 4. We arrived blank the airport just in time. Answer A. At. She has blank interest in classical music. Answer B. An. This problem is blank difficult than the previous one. Answer A. More. Hardly blank finished speaking when the bell rang. Answer B. Had he. Their blank little hope of success. Answer C. Is. If they blank earlier, they would have caught the train. Answer C. Had left. She doesn't have blank patience for this task. Answer C. Much. He blank never seen such a beautiful place before. Answer B. Has. I have been living here blank my childhood. Answer A. Since. The water is blank cold to drink. Answer D. 2. She blank always complaining about something. Answer A. Is. This is the artist's blank paintings were displayed. Answer D. Whose. He blank the letter before I arrived. Answer D. Had written. We blank already completed the assignment. Answer B. Have. She is keen blank learning new skills. Answer B. On. I would rather stay home blank go out tonight. Answer A. Than. He is capable blank solving complex problems. Answer C. Of. They blank not informed about the meeting. Answer B. Were. I have rarely blank such dedication. Answer C. Seen. The earth blank around the sun. Answer D. Revolves. She asked me blank I needed help. Answer D. If. He is blank best candidate for the job. Answer C. The. This is the place blank we stayed last year. Answer D. Where. I will start working when I blank ready. Answer A. Am. She can blank multiple languages fluently. Answer D. Speak.